This review session is all about creating a Microsoft developer account. We will use that developer account as a sandbox. This Microsoft developer account will come with pre-built users. It will come with pre-built sites through SharePoint. It will come with a number of pre-built accounts and features that we can modify and adjust permissions, add users, create sites and things like that. So let's go ahead and get started creating this Microsoft developer account or sandbox. Let's scroll through this developer dashboard, and we're basically just looking to join the developer community. For the record, this is a glimpse of a Word document that's in the background. You may use Notepad or what have you. That's just going to capture my usernames, my passwords, my account names, and the fictitious Gmail account. That Gmail account name and password, all that stuff is on this Word document behind here. Now let's get started. Let's click right here. Let's join now. Let's create an account. Create a new account. Let's create this account as point share 358 at gmail.com. I had created this email account as a prerequisite for the sandbox. Again, the sandbox is a place where you can store documents and files online and retrieve them, and also build apps. Okay, so this is a Microsoft specific sandbox that we're looking to create here for SharePoint and SharePoint developer projects. Let's create a password here. So it says verify email. Email will be sent to pointshare358gmail.com. Enter code. No, I don't want that. Let's go over here to the email. Bam, there you go right there. Verify your email address. Here go the code. Let's take that. Let's paste that in there. Let's go to next. Please solve the puzzle so we can know you're not a robot. Use the arrows to rotate the animal to face in the direction of the hand. Verification complete. Just kind of moving forward with setting up this developer account. Okay, let's go to let's save this not now, really. Not now. Your region is United States. United States. Company is SharePoint. Studies. SharePoint Developer, DEVE, services. All right, English. Accept the terms and conditions, and next. Okay. These are for personal projects, which is the primary focus as a developer. Personal projects next. Bed, Outlook, Teams. Office add-ins, Microsoft Graph. Let's just save that for starters. Set up your Office Microsoft 365 E5 Sandbox. Choose your Microsoft 365 E5 Developer Sandbox. This instant sandbox is probably going to be the most practical sandbox for what we're trying to do here. This configurable sandbox is a little bit more itemized configuration. Let's go with the instant sandbox. This sandbox is pre-configured with 16 fictitious users, Microsoft Teams samples, data pack with App Studio and custom apps pre-configured and data for Microsoft Graph, SharePoint, and add-on offices, add-in development. So that's exactly what we want right there. Let's not overthink that. Okay, set up your admin name will be admin. Password will be okay. This we just gonna if we use one of the fictitious users, then it'll have the same password as the admin password. That's all that's saying right there. Okay, let's see if that'll. Okay, let's try this. The code came through. So let's enter it here. I just sent that code to my cell phone. It came through. So this is the basic profile setup page or call to action homepage for the Microsoft 365 developer dashboard. Okay, so now this is asking us to set up our actual subscription. We don't want to set up our exact subscription right at the moment. Okay, we just want access to the tenant, which is right here, and to our domain. So let's set up our subscription later. Okay, so now that we're all set up, let's see if we can go back. Let's go to subscription. At this point in the lesson, you can also log on to your Microsoft account at login.microsoftonline.com and also at office.com also. So that's just in case you get kicked out or get kind of lost in this process. But at the moment, go ahead and enter your login credentials here. They may auto-populate. Let's go back to the sign in. Let's sign in. Save the password. Action required. So this is saying security defaults are enabled to keep your organization secure. Okay. You have 14 days until this is required. Okay, so let's say ask later at this point. Stay signed in, yes. Okay, welcome to Microsoft 365. Okay, well, thank you. Thank you for watching this lesson. So far, we have accomplished our goal of creating a Microsoft 365 sandbox. In conclusion, we will explore these apps from both an administrator perspective and an end user perspective, primarily from an administrator perspective. In the next video, we will deal with this pop-up that says action required, security defaults are enabled to keep your organization secure. Thank you.